I said it once. I'm saying it again. One of these days, man, I'm gonna have to go to the mountaintop and challenge the number one ranked cook. You feel me? A lot of y'all don't know who the number one ranked cook is. Y'all know me. I'm the number two hood chef in America. You feel me? Um, in some AP polls, I'm ranked number one in Florida. But the BCS poll, Trick is ranked number one, and I'm right up under him with two. You know what I'm saying? One of these days, now go over to the mountaintop and challenge the sensei, and I'm coming too. I'm learning more and more every day. Soon, I'm having Jamaican food on lockdown. Yo.